The second basic hypothesis of cognitive dissonance theory is that alongside people trying to reduce the discomfort that they feel from cognitive dissonance, they will also try to avoid feeling that dissonance in the future. So people may try to avoid feeling cognitive dissonance by shunning challenging situations or by limiting the information that they gather to that information that affirms their beliefs. So first, people might try to avoid challenging situations that are going to cause them cognitive dissonance. Let's say, for example, that our smoker is visiting their parents over the holidays, and they go out into the backyard to smoke one of their cigarettes. And when they are outside, their dad comes out and starts yelling at them for smoking, telling them how bad of a habit it is, how bad it is for their health, etc. And so in the future, that individual might choose to not smoke while they are at their parents' house in order to avoid experiencing that cognitive dissonance from having dad yell at them. Another thing that they might do is to limit the information that they gather to that which affirms their beliefs. So rather than thoroughly researching the topic and trying to understand all sides of the situation, individuals who are trying to avoid feeling cognitive dissonance will intentionally seek out information that affirms their beliefs and that does not disconfirm them. And so they are going to only believe the information that they want to believe and brush off any information that is going to make them feel that cognitive dissonance. So if I was a smoker and I was conducting research about smoking, I would only like to read the articles that tell me that it doesn't have negative health consequences and maybe even the benefits of it, and push to one side the information that tells me that it's so bad for me and that it can have negative consequences on my health, etc.